Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The first Bitcoin transaction took place on May 22, 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas, marking the first real-world purchase with the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its store of value and scarcity properties. The maximum supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. Bitcoin uses a decentralized ledger called the blockchain to record all transactions. The smallest unit of Bitcoin is called a Satoshi, which is 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. Bitcoin's symbol is BTC. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, which means once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed or cancelled. Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous, not truly anonymous. The blockchain records all transactions, but the identities of the parties involved are concealed by public addresses. Bitcoin's price reached its all-time high at the time of my knowledge cutoff in January 2022 in December 2021, reaching over $60,000 per Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, with significant price swings over short periods. Bitcoin is accepted by a growing number of merchants and businesses for payments, including some major companies like Microsoft, and AT&T Bitcoin is often used as a means of transferring value across borders without the need for traditional banking systems. The first Bitcoin exchange, bitcoinmarket.com, started operating in March 2010. The first Bitcoin ATM was installed in Vancouver, Canada in 2013. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown, and there are many theories about who this individual or group might be. Hal Finney, a computer scientist, was the first person to receive a Bitcoin transaction from Satoshi Nakamoto. The Winklevoss twins, famous for their legal battles with Mark Zuckerberg over Facebook, are prominent Bitcoin investors. Mt. Gox, once the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, went bankrupt in 2014, leading to the loss of a significant number of Bitcoins. Bitcoin's supply is controlled by a process called mining, where miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems and secure the network. The first Bitcoin mining reward, known as the block reward, was 50 Bitcoins per block. It halves approximately every 4 years in an event called the halving. As of my last update, there have been 3 Bitcoin halvings. The most recent one was in May 2020, reducing the block reward to 6.25 Bitcoins. Bitcoin miners have to compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles, and the first one to solve it gets to add a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with Bitcoins. Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of electricity, and it has been a topic of debate due to its environmental impact. The Bitcoin white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Bitcoin's supply is designed to be deflationary, with the total supply decreasing over time, leading to potential scarcity and increased value. Bitcoin has been hailed as a hedge against inflation, especially in countries with unstable currencies. Many people and businesses are accepting Bitcoin donations for charitable causes. Bitcoin can be used for remittances, allowing individuals to send money across borders with lower fees compared to traditional methods. There have been numerous hard forks of Bitcoin, leading to the creation of new cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Bitcoin SV, BSV. Bitcoin has been criticized for its energy consumption, as the proof-of-work mining process requires significant computational power. Some countries, like El Salvador, have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, making it the first country to do so. Bitcoin has been used for various illegal activities, including money laundering and the purchase of illegal goods on darknet markets. Bitcoin has a global network of nodes that validate and relay transactions, making it censorship-resistant. Bitcoin's price has been influenced by various factors, including regulatory developments, market sentiment, and macroeconomic conditions. Bitcoin has a decentralized governance model where decisions are made by miners, developers, and users through a rough consensus process. The pseudonymous founder of WikiLeaks, Julian Assange, has urged supporters to use Bitcoin for donations due to financial censorship. Bitcoin has inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, introduced the concept of smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, and was inspired by Bitcoin.